My country, Pakistan essay in English. My country, Pakistan. Pakistan is my dear homeland, created on 14th August 1947 under the leadership of Qaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah and the vision of Allama Iqbal. It is located in South Asia, sharing borders with India, China, Afghanistan, and Iran, and has a coastline along the Arabian Sea. Our country has diverse landscapes, high mountains in the north, fertile plains in Punjab, deserts in Sindh and Balochistan, and beautiful valleys in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Pakistan's culture is rich and diverse, with each province having its own traditions, languages, and festivals. Urdu is our national language, and shalwar kameez is the national dress. Hospitality and respect for elders are core values of our society. Pakistan has achieved much since independence, including becoming a nuclear power in 1998. It is known for its brave armed forces, talented people, and successes in sports, literature, and science. Love my country deeply and pray for its peace, unity, and progress.